Hey everyone! Today we show you in a very brief video what we did with our Maxtrax aka recovery boards, traction boards. Anyways, these two, we put them on the bonnet. We're going to show you how and why. Maybe you've seen it before we had mounted them on the roof. That was not the ideal solution for us. We do still think it's an option. Carla will explain it just now. And we'll show you what we did to put them here.
We had ours mounted here in this shape. And we used just a simple square aluminium tubing on a rotating connected fitting. We mounted it on there, which worked very well. It was nice and cheap. It's very light. But because of these brackets that we use, these sort of lock pins for the Maxtrax specifically, it ended up actually being a hazard. So these things sit like this. And it can hook onto a branch, can hook onto shade netting, anything that's hanging a little bit low, which then bends the bracket. And we decided no, that's not working for us, as well as the weight on the roof. That's also not the perfect solution for us that has to lift the roof, being two women. So we were looking for other solutions. Some people have it on the roof, some have it flat on the roof, some have it on the sides of a Land Rover, some have it on the back of their spare wheel on the back door. None of those things worked for us with our current setup, so we were looking for unused real estate, which is this, our bonnet. I was looking online for examples. I could not really find anything. I found one photo on Google with someone with it on a Defender bonnet. You have some other cars that do it, FJ Cruisers and so on, but on the Defender bonnet I found one picture and I went for it. It's quite simple. It's 4 holes in the bonnet, which was scary enough to do, but 4 holes in the bonnet. The bolts of these security pins go on there and you place it on top. Okay, I'll show you what it looks like underneath the bonnet. These stainless steel M10 bolts come through that you buy with the safety pins, and we just put some bigger washers in there, and that's it. Check that there's no interference with the components inside. Check that you can open your bonnet far enough on this side. I know the Defender bonnets can lift fully, and then you might have to take this off, so that's unfortunate, but for 99.9% of the time this is good. Now we can show you how we take them off and put them on again. What didn't go perfectly was that it's difficult to take account for the angle of the bonnet. If you mark your holes, you're marking as if you have a straight pin going down. But once you mount the pin, and this is now exaggerated, but this is a bit sloped like in this way, then your pin starts doing this, moving towards this side, or which side ever you're going. And then the hole does not fully line up, especially at these far ends. You're not fully aligned anymore, so you have to press a little bit to get it in. So that's the only part that didn't go perfectly and makes it a little bit harder to remove and put back.
Check out our channel for more Defender overlanding hacks and adventures.
It's really uncomfortable here.
Does it look like it?
Yeah. And I'm filthy.